Yeah.
So this is the lobby of like just like our floor.
It's honestly, it's a
Hey guys, what's up? It is Christina here, back again with another video, except today we have a suite tour.
I like it, I want it, I got it.
So basically I'm staying at the Waldorf Astoria in Rome, and I want to show you guys this awesome hotel room. It's just so beautiful, and I have to show you because I'm just like, oh my gosh. But let's just recap exactly what went on. Cheers. Christina, I accidentally spilled cheese balls on my bed, so it left like a little bit of a mark. Where's my rich husband?
What I really wanna see is that I don't really need to be anything.
Start off in the bathroom because, why not? We actually did kind of use it already, so it may not look exactly how it did. But that's what the shower looks like. It comes with a bath, and then there's like a little shower handle, and then that head. So of course we have a mirror here, a bidet, a scale, toilet, duh, and then summer Friday stuff. I need that so bad because I'm so jet lagged, especially when I come back. I really love this bathroom. Like, I am dying a lot. And so since it's a suite, we do have another room, but Maddie's in there. I think she's doing something else. But this is just like the walkway, which I probably should have started with first. Okay, so we got the little bar over here. Some fine Italian art.
more fine Italian art.
So this is our bed. We broke it in last night. This is what it looks like. Overview, overview, overview. I'll show you guys some clips of it during the day. So cute. Love the chairs. You have a little patio, little place for pics or something. I'm just so thankful to be in a place where I can have these experiences, and I'm so fortunate and I'm really grateful. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so happy that I'm like living my best life right now. Like, what? Hope you guys have an amazing day. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you guys want to see, and I will get back to you guys next week. Bye.